All right, check this out. We got this one available today. This is a manual transmission TRD Off-Road Premium. This truck is available today. We do have a couple other Tacomas coming that are available as well, so if this isn't the right one for you, let us know. But this is a 6-speed manual transmission. One of the few manufacturers that still build them. And this is the advanced tech package with the off-road. So the rear bumper is painted. Leather interior, the Softex leather. The Kevlar tires, Goodyear, Wrangler. We also put the 3M protection on it for $6.99. Does have the roof rack. And you can see the 3M right on the hood. Inside the handles. Full power driver's seat, sunroof. You've got your auto headlights. You've got a clutch start cancel as well. Still have a key on these as well. Heated seats. You've got your view control, so you can see all the way around there. This is your multi-terrain mode, so you can see all the way around the vehicle. So reverse. Plus, if you want, get your forward view as well for when you're off-roading. As you can see, you can flip up the seats. There is storage underneath. Sliding rear window as well. It does have the all-season floor mats front and back. Of course, your LED headlights and fog lights. If you'd like to know more, you can reach out. You can get a hold of me direct at 218-454-2247. Have a great selection of Tacomas coming. I'm sure we can find you the right one. Thanks again and have a great day.